Alright guys, so we're trying something a little different right now. Got the GoPro mounted on my head with a head strap. Maybe we'll get some cool shots. A little bit more exciting than just the boring old time lapse from a tripod. Today's mission, we're gonna be fixing up these forks, finally getting them all rebuilt. I got the seals in, I got a new bushing. Yeah, so we're gonna try time lapsing from my head. I don't know if it's gonna look cool or if it's gonna give you all a violent headache. But before we go ahead and do the forks, I wanted to clean up the plastics. I already did this a couple days ago, but it's like 50 gigabytes worth of just time-lapse footage, so I don't really know how to incorporate it into a video, but here you go.